Hello guys, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to group rows in Excel. So let's begin the video. First, open your Excel worksheet and choose the rows you want to group. Then go to the Data tab and come to this group and click on Group. Here you can see there is a marker which is the marker of group. You can make changes from here. If you want to make this marker hidden, just click on this little minus icon and it will be hidden. And if you again click on the plus icon, it will be shown again. So this is how you can group your rows. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.